Think about the people you love most. If you were to tell a new friend about your life, you would likely start with your family. They are our first teachers, our first friends, and often our biggest support system. Welcome to day 6. Let's talk about family. Let's start with the immediate family. These are usually the people you live with or are closest to. You have your parents, your mother, and your father. If you have brothers or sisters, we use the collective word siblings. I have 2 siblings is a very natural way to say you have a brother and a sister. Moving down the tree, we have children, your son or your daughter. If you are married or in a committed relationship, you might refer to your partner, your husband, or your wife. Now let's look at the extended family. These are the branches further out. Your mother's sister is your aunt, your father's brother is your uncle. The children of your aunts and uncles are your cousins. It doesn't matter if they are male or female. In English, we just say cousin. And of course, the heads of the family are your grandparents. But how do we show who belongs to whom? This brings us to a vital piece of English grammar, the possessives. In English, we almost always say Maria's brother. We add an apostrophe and the letter S. This "s" tells the listener that the next word belongs to that person. If I say, "This is my mother's car," I am talking about the car that belongs to my mother. One small rule: if a name already ends in S, like James, you can just add the apostrophe or add another S. Both James' book and James's book are correct. So remember, name plus S plus relationship. David's daughter, Elena's cousin, my brother's wife. It is the glue that holds the family tree together. Let's practice using this tree. I'm going to ask you questions about the Miller family. I will give you a few seconds to answer out loud, then I'll provide the correct sentence. Round 1, identifying relationships. Pray Terry. 1. George and Martha are the grandparents. Sarah is their daughter. What is the relationship? Sarah is George's daughter. 2. Tom is also their child. How do we describe him in relation to Martha? Tom is Martha's son. 3. Tom and Sarah are siblings. What is Sarah to Tom? Sarah is Tom's sister. 4. Tom and Linda are married. What is Linda to Tom? Linda is Tom's wife. Round 2, the next generation. Now let's look at the children, Leo and Mia. 1. Leo is the son of Tom and Linda. Say it using the S. Leo is Tom's son. 2. Mia is the daughter. What is she to Tom? Mia is Tom's daughter. 3. Now think about the siblings. What is Leo to Mia? Leo is Mia's brother. 4. This one is tricky. What is Sarah to Leo? Remember, Sarah is Tom's sister. Sarah is Leo's aunt. Round 3, possessives drills. I will give you 2 words, and I want you to combine them using the possessive S. So 1, father, car, my father's car. 2, sister/friend, my sister's friend. 3, partner, office, my partner's office. 4, cousin/house, my cousin's house. Round 4, listening and correcting. 1, the book of my brother is blue. My brother's book is blue. 2, I met the wife of John. I met John's wife. 3, the names of my siblings are Mark and Anna. My siblings' names are Mark and Anna. Round 5, describing your world. Think of a real person in your life. 1, what is your mother's name? Example, my mother's name is Maria. 2, do you have any siblings? Example, yes, I have 1 brother. 3, what is your brother's name? Example, my brother's name is David. Great job. Speaking about family requires you to think about 2 things at once: the vocabulary word and the grammar. It takes practice to make it fluid. Let's recap our family reunion. First, the immediate family, parents, siblings, and children. Second, the extended family. We have aunts, uncles, cousins, and grandparents. Third, the possessive S. This is your most powerful tool for describing relationships. Instead of saying of, we adds to the owner or the subject. Finally, we use the term partner. In modern English, this is a very common and respectful way to refer to a person someone is in a long-term relationship with. Now it's time for your Day 6 challenge. I want you to take a piece of paper and draw a very simple family tree of your own family. It doesn't have to be everyone, just 4 or 5 people. Then, write 5 sentences describing them using the possessive S. Go to the comments section and introduce one person. I will be reading the comments to see how you are using your new vocabulary. If you found this lesson helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe. Tomorrow is a very important day. It's day 7, which means we have completed our first full week. We will be doing a week 1 review and fluency check. You're doing incredible work. 6 days down, 24 to go. I'll see you tomorrow for our first big milestone.